Welcome back to my channel Nick Habakandu. My name is Nicholas and today we're gonna solve the issues with the sound quality on the Sennheiser PC360, quite the old one model, but it's not working properly. So we're gonna get started right now. The main problem is the sound quality when we rotating volume control. To be honest, I already took it off previously by breaking it apart. There was a small tiny two metal plates in, but I already put them in a garbage bin, so I don't have them to show you. But only way to change sound volume will be by pressing volume buttons on the keyboard. Oops, I did it again. I will use the simple wire to find out which one we need to connect to get the sound back at the full maxed sound volume. I don't know if you can hear. It's very quiet. Much better. So I experimented previously a lot and then found out that we need to connect this one, these two, second and the third one, and also first and the fourth. For doing so, I'm gonna use soldering iron. I'm gonna Right now we're gonna set it for good using a hot glue gun. Nice. If you find this video useful, press the like button, feel free to write comments, and see you next time.